Okay, super easy and super delicious this one. We're going to be making coriander tea. So what we've got here, we only need 3 ingredients for this. Water, of course, and then coriander seeds and fresh coriander or cilantro. What we're going to do really simply is we're going to get the seeds into a dry pan and just roast them a little bit for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're going to add our water. Then we're going to add our cilantro or fresh coriander. We're going to boil it up for about 15 to 20 minutes. Drain it off. Delicious. Okay, so it's got a small pan. I mean, we're going to use like 1 to 1.5 litres of water. The heat's on, and we're going to drop in our coriander seeds. There's about 4 tablespoons of the seeds I'm using for this. You can, of course, just adjust this as you want. So on a below medium heat, let's just throw these around in the pan. Nice dry heat. That's going to kind of toast them a little bit. Going to release some of their beautiful essential oils, and it'll really, enhance the taste of the tea. So I'll be back 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so these are smoking away nicely and beautifully toasted. At this point, we're going to add our water. And now our fresh cilantro or coriander. Give that a mix. If you wanted now, you could be adding some ginger, a bit of nutmeg, a bit of cinnamon, some cloves, something else just to give it a little more flavour of your choice. I'm going to do this completely straight like this, just these 3 ingredients. I like it like this. Okay, lid on. Bring that to the boil, then on the rolling boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. The longer that you boil it, the darker it will become. Okay, so there you go. That's been boiling for like 20 minutes. We're just going to pour this through a sieve or a strainer. And we can discard all of this. And there we go, we've got a really, really beautiful, tasty tea. You can sweeten that with honey or with sugar if you wanted. I drink it just like that. Works just as well hot as it does cold over ice. You can keep it in your fridge for 2 to 3 days. Wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.